Hey guys, good morning. This is Jenna from China. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you to Dongguan, a city in Guangdong Province, which has a nickname as the world's factory. Many international big names such as Coca-Cola, Nestle, Procter & Gamble, DuPont, and many other international companies have established their R&D and manufacturing bases in this city. And local China mobile phone brands such as Vivo and Oppo also have their R&D center in this place. So why is this city such an attraction for international businesses? And besides manufacturing, what else does this city have to offer? Welcome to join me on this trip and let's explore this together. Now I'm heading to the West Kowloon station to take the high-speed train from Hong Kong to Humen. And Humen is a small town in Dongguan. The high-speed train journey will take around 46 minutes. Okay, let's get our ticket first. Hong Kong is quite an international city, so you can find English information here. It's quite convenient to get your ticket here. And in China, we always accept Alipay and WeChat Pay. Today I'm taking the train from Hong Kong West Kowloon Station to Humen Station. And the ticket is like this. The train will leave at 12:05. Today I'm going to Dongguan West, and there's no direct train from Hong Kong to Dongguan West. So I'm gonna take the train from Hong Kong to Humen first and transfer to the intercity railway from Humen Station. Okay, now let's check in first. This train station is very convenient because customs clearance, ticket check-in, and security check, everything are in one place. After checking in, till you reach the gate before you onboard the train, actually only take you less than 10 minutes. You can go and queue up in front of the boarding gate 15 or 20 minutes before the train departs. 5 minutes before the train departs, the gate will close. Okay, just arrived at Humen Station. Now I will go and transfer at Humen North Station. So first of all, I need to buy a transfer ticket. So we're going to transfer at Guangzhou Shenzhen Intercity Railway Humen Bay Railway Station. We are here at this moment, and we're gonna take this intercity railway to Dongguan Xi or Dongguan West. And this is the second ticket we have for today to transfer from Humen North to Dongguan Xi. And this transfer station is obviously, much smaller compared with the Hong Kong Kowloon West high-speed train station. But this is just a transfer station. It's still very clean, have ample space. Well, they also have the charging port for you. This is the charging station, but probably you need to bring a converter. To get in the station is still the same. You can either use your ID card or passport. For intercity transportation, after you're purchasing the ticket, probably going to find that they don't really allocate a seat for you on the train because the intercity transportation, the traveling time is usually very short. For example, when I'm traveling from Humen Bay to Dongguan Xi, the journey only takes you around 26 minutes. It's pretty short. So when you onboard the train, if there's a seat that you can, just sit down and enjoy yourself, If there's no seat, then probably you're gonna stand all the way from one station to another. They also have a charging port here which you can use to charge your phones. While we are on the train to Dongguan West Station, let me give you a brief introduction of the city. So Dongguan is situated in between Guangzhou and Shenzhen, while Guangzhou is on the north and Shenzhen is on the south side. And by the end of 2023, the city has around 10.4 million people. And it's just a 1.5-hour drive from Dongguan. You can reach more than 100 million people in this area. So it is not only a manufacturing hub, but it's also a very big consumer market. And the main industries here in Dongguan include, but are not limited to, electronics manufacturing, packaging, printing, chemicals, textile and clothing, food and drinks, toys, furniture, and etc. And now we arrive at another station, but it's not our destination yet. Let's get out of the train station and find a taxi and take the taxi to the hotel. I just called a cab and now I'm waiting for the driver to arrive. And the first impression of this place is so big. Here we can get a first impression of the city. And this is like a typical small town area where you can find small restaurants along the roadside. And oh, they also have a kindergarten here. Okay, just arrived at the hotel. Let's get a first impression of this place. Hello. Here's a simple room tour. Once you enter the room, it has this washing basin, and this is the toilet, and this is the shower room, which is separate. And here is a mirror and the bed. Okay, spacious, and a small sofa and a desk for you to work. Now it's already 3 p.m. and I have not had my lunch yet, so I'm super hungry. And just now I've ordered a bowl of congee through the app, and it is supposed to be delivered to my room in about 20 to 25 minutes. After this short break, I will bring you guys to explore the surroundings a little bit. So probably we're going to visit one of the wholesale markets here in Dongguan. And hopefully by the time we arrive there, they are still open, because now it's already, 3:15. Since Dongguan is a manufacturing town, there are more than 50 wholesale markets in the city selling different types of products. Some of the wholesale markets focus on, small consumer goods, while other wholesale markets, they're probably selling stainless steel related products. If you are a e-commerce business owner, or if you have a plan to sell things online while you're traveling in China, especially when you're in Guangdong Province, probably Dongguan is one of the must visits for you to get some inspirations. My food has finally arrived. It's super hot. Just a simple bowl of congee. Probably to have some meatballs. Let's have a look. Ooh, super hot. Have a look. It's a meatball congee, and this bowl is 20 RMB, which is around 3.5 US dollar. Very hot. Very hot. This place really gives you this kind of small town vibe, because the residential buildings along the roadside are usually 5 to 6 floors, and it's not very easy to get a taxi here. Okay, now we just arrived at the wholesale market, and let's go inside and check it out. Wow. Have all sorts of stuff. Toys, airplane, pillow. They have all different kind of stuff. This section mainly sells car accessories, and on this side you can find Barbie dolls and some toys, baby clothing. You can also find bicycles here, and also stationaries, and basketball and football. For those of you who need product sourcing from China, welcome to contact us or visit our website below. We categorize the sourcing process into two types. The type 1 is that you have a design and you want to customize the product according to your design. And the second type is that you don't need any customization, you just want to buy, for example, whatever that is available in the market. This is called non-customization sourcing. If you want to know more about our sourcing process, welcome to check out the other video of mine which I introduced about the sourcing process. Since this floor are also selling, toys and stationaries. There are many toys around. Oh, this is a very nostalgic toy. Here not only have toy, but also have wholesale of packages.
2 hours later.
Just now, the wholesale market we visited, there are different shops selling different products in the market. Actually, it's just a shop front of different factories. For example, the toys shop that we went in just now, they have a big production base here in Dongguan city. And in my other videos, I've introduced the Huaqiangbei market. Actually, it's the same. In Huaqiangbei, there's a lot of shops. Their production base is in Dongguan, while their shop in Huaqiangbei simply act as the sales office, showroom, and customer service center. This is oatmeal latte. One of my favorites. I'm thinking about what to have for dinner tonight. I've not decided yet. I've decided let's go to Xiabafang. They say that it's a nice place to go during the night because they have a lot of bars and the Lingnan cultural architecture. So let's go there and have a look. Just now there is a serious traffic jam, so I get off the car in advance. Now I'm trying to cut through some small alley. Here there's not much car, so I can walk there to our destination. What I found. This seems to be a right place to have some dinner or snacks. This is the menu. Just now I ordered this chili fish head. It's only 35 yuan, which is around $5 US. And I also ordered another soup, 丝瓜蛋汤, which is melon and egg soup. I think I'm the only person who's having the table only to myself. This is the 大排档 style, which is the street store style. They give you these utensils and it's wrapped in plastic bags. And when you take it out, you can use the tea on this side to rinse it. I don't know why they rinse it again since it's already washed. But anyway, that is just the kind of like Cantonese tradition. In Cantonese culture, people put the food in the bowl instead of on the plate because the plate is used to hold bones or the leftovers. Just now, I've ordered a fish head, but unfortunately that dish is sold out. So the waitress comes to me and asks me whether I want to change it to another dish. So I ordered a different dish. It's a little bit bizarre, but it's quite popular here, and probably a lot of people dare not to eat that dish. Oh, my soup comes. That is quite a big portion. Oh, that looks tasty. I wonder how I'm gonna finish it. Usually these people are gonna come here and have dinner or lunch as a group. That is why when they serve a dish or serve a soup, usually that is a very, very big portion. This green thing is called lava. It's a kind of vegetable, and this is egg. And they mix it together to cook this soup. The soup has a very plain taste. I think they simply add some garlic and a scallion to cook this soup. There's not much extra additives inside. Okay. This is the second dish. Have a look. What is this? It looks like chicken, but it's not chicken. Very tasty. And it's very chewy. There's not much fiber in this kind of meat. So this is the hint. You can leave your comment below and have a guess. What kind of meat is this? Have a second guess. This is the leg. Just finished the dinner and everything included the main dish and the soup. The two things together is 58 yuan, which is around $8.5 US. Maybe next time when you come here, you can come here and have a try.